everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is super special because I'm sharing something really close to my heart. I've just turned 47 and I received the sweetest gifts from my friends, my students and my family too. Let's do a birthday unboxing together. And of course I will teach you some great English words along the way. The first one is gonna be this one. A perfume. Oh, it smells good. A soap. And a perfume. Just perfect for everyday use. Now this bag. Oh, wow. See? So softy. Oh, it's a scarf. I'm gonna show you. Oh my, for the cold weather, it's perfect. I love this kind of gift. Let me show you. This fluffy scarf is just perfect for winter. It's super stylish. I love it. Milk chocolate. Delicious. Blue bag, I love blue. Soap. Oh my. Delicious. Smells good. Vanilla. Oh, perfect gift for me. There is something else. Oh, nail polish. Let me see, nail polish. Brown. I really love this color. This nail polish is brown and I love this color. It really suits me. So cool. These are bar soaps. I'm about to be the freshest around with all these soaps. Let me get another one. A box. So cute. Let's see. What? Oh my. It's hand moisturizer. A very cute one I can carry. I can bring it inside my bag. Shower gel, a bath shower gel. Let's see. Okay. Smell it. Oh my goodness, so fancy. I got this mandala. Look. To hang on the door. Isn't it lovely? It's a rosemary scented soap. It smells fresh and herbal. Especial como você. Special like, oh, let me show you. Highlighter pens. The awesome notebook. They are bar soaps too. Different, like how cute. I'm gonna show you my letters. Oh, lots of drawings. Of course, I've already read them. I'm gonna read this one for you. Oi, Pro, dia 5 você fez aniversário e esse é o meu presente. Mesmo sendo simples, mas é de coração. E não conta pra ninguém, mas você é minha professora favorita. Happy birthday! Vou tampar aqui o nome dele, ele fez um desenho. Happy birthday, teacher! A belated gift. I got a marker as a gift. And another letter. Oh, happy birthday! Another. And there are lots of a stapler that's so useful. I'm gonna use it there a lot. A pen, a very nice pen. It's another soap, fruity smell. And a makeup sponge. See how cute. It's great for applying foundation evenly. Thank you so much. I love it. And it's blue, my favorite color. This is a gift set. I think, yeah, that is. Yeah, it is. These are chamomile soaps. Of course, I'm gonna smell. Oh my! It's a body moisturizing. Oh my goodness! Try. So good. They are such a useful gift. Oh my. And finally, a vintage one. Now this is emotional. A tiny doll from my childhood. I can't believe that someone found it. Oh my. Do you know? It brings me back many memories. I'm gonna show you. Look, I'm gonna. So cute. This is a fofolette. Hi. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much to everyone who made my birthday so special. Every single gift, every single message, every hug, every smile, it all meant the world for me. I feel incredibly blessed and loved. You all made my 47th birthday unforgettable. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe and share with someone who loves gifts and English too. See you next time. Bye!